Hi, this is our final math project, and the team members are Erika Jovelman, Gerardo Jimenez, and Eduardo Tuche. For this project, we'll be presenting you the process of the lab number 49, 60, 71, 83, 84, 95, 106, 118, 129, and 134. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. This is the first problem, and to factorize it, you do this to the power of 3 and this to the power of 3. So you get 27 x to the 9, and then you bring down this sign, plus 64 x cubed. And this is your final answer. We need to factor out this problem, and since it's only two terms, it should be a difference of squares, but since this sign it's not a negative, it's not factorable. So this problem is not factorable. If this sign would have been a negative, then you could have factored it out. We need to factor out this problem. This one has one more step, but it's still very easy. First you do, since it's a difference of squares, x squared plus y squared and x squared minus y squared. And then this one, it's a difference of squares. So you bring down this one, this term, x squared plus y squared. And then this one, since it's a difference of squares, you factor it out to x plus y, x minus y. And this is your final answer.
Hi, my name is Gerardo Jimenez, and we're gonna do the substitution method. Our equation is h equals square root of 2x minus 1. So if h is 3, we're gonna substitute square root of 2 times 3 minus 1. So 2 times 3 equals 6, minus 1 equals 5, square root. So the answer will be h equals all of this, square root of 5. Our next problem is as if h equals 0. We're going to substitute the 0 into the x. So it will be square root of 2 times 0 minus 1. 2 times 0, it will be 0 minus 1. And we said if the square root of minus 1 will be I. So the answer is I. Our next problem is to solve this equation. 7 minus 3i minus 4 plus 2i. The first thing that we're going to do is leave this alone. So it will be 7 minus 3i. We're going to multiply this negative to all this equation. So it will be minus 4 minus 2i. Now we're going to subtract it. 7 minus 4, 3. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5i. So this will be the answer. 3 minus 5i.
For the equation, find the axis of symmetry and vertex. This is our equation. Y equals x to the second power plus 3x. Our graph is going to go forward because our x is positive. B is 0, 0 because we don't have a c here. Our vertex is negative 3 over 2 and negative 9 over 4. We solve it using this formula, negative b over 2a. Our d We find it simplifying this, and we got 3,0 and 0,0. And our axis of symmetry is -3/2, and using all of these, we got our graph. The cost of renting a car is $18 per day, plus 20 cents per mile traveled. Marie rented a car and paid 44 at the end. Our equation is 18x plus 0.2y equals 44. Miles Marie traveled, 130 miles. Rate of change, 1/5. If it was 1 day, then we do this equation. 1/5 y plus 18 equals 44. 1/5 y equals 44 minus 18. Y equals 130. Okay. Solve each system of equation by substitution method. In here we have two problems. We have to solve for x in one of them. We chose this one. We solve for x, we pass the 3y adding, and we have x equals 2/3 plus 3y. This is the first x. Now we have to pass it to the other equation. We pass it multiplying 3 times our other answer plus the other equation. Then we're going to have 2 plus 9y equals -1 plus 9y, and this is a no solution.